The three main areas of study in science are chemistry, physics and biology. A constant practical experiment programme supports all science subjects at YCIS Beijing in order to help students build skills before they enter the IB programme. The Coordinated Science Programme runs alongside the Combined Science Programme at IGCSE, and the programmes are given careful consideration for the students' individual needs. In chemistry, we look at the planet firstly and the nature of matter, also chemical reactions within organic chemistry. There is also the integration of mathematics through quantitative chemistry and rates of reaction topics. The students also learn about industrial links to chemistry and everyday life involving metals, petrochemicals, and chemical analysis and its uses. Within physics, we start with measurements and units and look at forces and motion, the relationships between force and pressure and force and energy, and also thermal effects. Waves, rays and sounds are followed by electricity and magnetism, and electronics and radioactivity are also part of our curriculum. In biology, there is an opportunity to link several areas with our character education programme, as the students will study characteristics, organisms and development of organisms, but will also look at many aspects of the human body and how it's affected by lifestyle and environment. Science is a universal language, including symbols, but the interesting thing about teaching in an international school is the range of experiences that the students may have had beforehand. Some need more practical knowledge, such as learning how to light Bunsen burners or other safety aspects of science. And some students may be more comfortable with kinesthetic learning, making models and doing practical work, whereas others may thrive in a lesson focused on facts and recalling information using techniques that we learn in class. Students have access to good equipment and class sizes are smaller. This helps to increase learning and helps teachers deliver a holistic education more personally. There are a huge amount of opportunities to teach outside the syllabus and integrate character education components into the syllabus through helping the students to learn about the connections of science with society and the implications that science could have upon their lives. Our students have been on science trips to eye hospitals, they've taken part in sea turtle rescue centres related to the environment and visited Oasis International Hospital. That's really for our aspiring medics in the senior school. But I believe there are more opportunities here for our senior pupils to undertake internships here in China. There are more individual learning programmes on offer at the school in order to cater to all our students' needs. At IGCSE and IB, we do follow a similar curriculum to Western state schools. However, we have the flexibility to offer new courses when there is interest. And currently, we also offer environmental systems and societies, in addition to the three natural sciences of biology, physics and chemistry at IB. Environmental systems and societies covers the links between biology and economics, as well as looking at the environmental issues that are currently affecting our world. The students enjoy the practical work the most. This is definitely the best example of learning through doing. Students can understand concepts better and when they've experienced the process of getting the answer. Examples of practical work include burning magnesium, collecting gas and testing for hydrogen. In the hydrogen test, a flame is put out into a test tube where the gas is collected and then goes out with a squeaky pop sound. Students also like the colourful experiments we do in topics like acids and alkalis, which use indicators. And I like to demonstrate the reaction of group 1 metals with water, as this can be colourful and exciting, such as when potassium lights up with a purple flame after it's put in water. In addition, debate and other forms of interaction are enjoyed by the students and enhances their learning.